Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to perform the interchange or swapping of two numbers using third variable. There are two ways we can perform the swapping of two numbers, either using the third variable or without using third variable. In this video we are going to cover how to interchange two numbers by using third variable or swapping in two numbers by using third variable. So first we have to understand the logic, then only we will go to the execution of the program. So swapping means, for example, A is a variable, we store the value of 10, B is another variable, we store the value of 20. So after the execution or after the operation, what will be the A value? A value should be 20 and B value should be 10. Then interchange. First A value is 10. Now after interchange, the A value store the value of B, B store the value of A. This is called as the swapping, means interchange the value. So here we have to use the third variable. So what happened? For example, I define another variable C. So now how to do it? If I store the 10 value in C, right now 10 store the value of C. So if I want the 10 value should store in the C, then what are the code I have to write down? I have to write down C equal to A. Means whatever value of A is now assigned to C. Then now B store which value? A store which value? B value. So now we want this value should be stored. So here the this value becomes to 20. So A is equal to B. Then if I make this value store here, C value store the B. So here what happened previously it is 20. Then what happened now? This is 10. So I can write down E equal to C. So now A store the value of 20, B store the value of 10, which is our required desired result. So this is the way we can perform the interchange or swapping of two numbers. Now we have to write down the code for this program. So let us start the program. So here what happened? We have to write down the program to implement swapping of two numbers using third variable. So if we write down anything with the starting double forward slash, means it becomes a comment line, means this line is not going to be executed by the compiler. So next line we have to write down, that is header file. Before execution the program, we have to include some header file. In this program we want to read the value of A, read the value of B, then we have to perform the swapping. So we want to read and as well as we have to print the value. So for that we require two functions, that is the printf and scanf, which is present inside the header file, that is the include stdio.h. So this header file we used for printf scanf. Another header file also we required include conio.h, because we use the getch function. Now we have to start integer main. As we know in C programming, control started execution from the main function or compiler started execution from the main function. So here in this case what happened? A, B, C, three variables we require. So we have to define three variables, that is integer A, B, comma C. So at a time we declare three variables. After that we have to read the value of A and B. After that we will swap the value. So printf new line, enter the value of A. So this is for output screen. Then we have to scanf %d ampersand A. Then we have to read the value of, enter the value of B. then scanf %d ampersand b. So we read the value of a and b. After read the value, we have want to print the value of a and b before the swapping. After the swapping also we will print. So what I have to write down, printf before swapping the value of a and b are, it is customized, means which way we want, according to that we have to write down. It is not mandatory that we have to write down. After that I have to write down printf a equal to %d, then value of a it will print, then printf b equal to %d b, so it will print the value of b and a. Before that, if we want, we can make a new line, so that whenever a and b value is printed, it will be in new line. After that, we have to perform the swapping. To perform the swapping, you just remember these three steps we have to write down. C equal to A equal to B equal to C. So, C equal to A equal to B equal to C. After that, we have to print the value after the swapping. So, then we can go for get ch. It will wait for one character to return. Then return 0 because we the main function as an integer. So this function returns the value 0. So let us compile the program and then run the program. Unexpected before. Okay, here we have to put the semicolon. Again we have to compile, yes. So here we have to enter the value of a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Okay, here what happened? There is no space. We have to put some space. Before, after, yes, we are got the correct answer. Before swapping, a value is 10, b value is 20. After the swapping, the value of b and b are a equal to 20. It's already swapped. But here only that enter the value of a, it should be, there should be some space. So let's modify the program before the value of a, tap t. Here we can make the tap t, means it will wait for, it will wait for to enter the user for the after 8 space. Tap T means it is there for 8 space. Now enter the value. There is a 8 space is present. Enter the value of B. So before and after, before the swapping the value of A 25, here we enter the 25. After that it will, after the swapping, this is our code for swapping the two numbers. So here what happened, as I have already told you that control start from the main function. So this is the main function is going to be execute integer abc. So what happened, a is a variable declare and store the memory, b is another variable, c is the another variable. Now it will ask enter the value of a. For example, I enter the value that is 20. So it will scan and store here. So it store the value of 20. Printf enter the value of b. After that one tab. So what is the value we enter? For example, we enter the value is 40. So 40 value store in ampersand b. So it is stored the 40 here. Then output screen will be displayed. Before the swapping, the value of a, b and r. Percentage means after that new line is will get, means this is the output screen. Then what happened? Before swapping the value of a and b are. So up to this. Then this is printf new line means one new line is created. After that a equal to %d. %d means whatever value of a, that is 20. Then printf new line means one new line is created. Then b is equal to, what is the value of b? B is the 40. So it stored the value of 40. Then C equal to A means whatever value of A is stored inside the C. So whatever value, what is the value? 20. Then B, A equal to B means B value assigned to A. What is the B value? 40. Now A store which value? 40. B equal to C. B equal to C means C value assigned to B. What is the C value? 20. Now it assigned to 20. Print A after the swapping. So after swapping, the value of A and B are, it will control here. Printf new line. So new line will be created. A equal to whatever value of A. What is the value right now? A. Then printf new line. One new line is created. B equal to percent %db. What is the value of B? B is 20 right now. Then it will wait for one space. Now you just see. Here A equal to 20 now. So the both the value swapping on initially it is 20 40, right now 40 20. So this is the way how we can able to swap two numbers by using the third variable. Hope you are able to understand the concept. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel, share the channel. Thank you so much.